fuck is with this fucking guy? It's a red fucking light, you fucking. The fuck is with this fucking guy? It's a red fucking light, you fucking cock. The fuck is he fucking doing? You fucking... Oh my lord.
Speaking of defense, President Trump also brought in a doubt whether the U.S. would respect Article 5. Tell us what that is and why that's important.
Well, that's the core principle of mutual defense, coming to each other's aid in case of attack. And it's actually only been used once, and that was after 9/11, when everyone came to the U.S.'s aid after the terrorist attack. On the plane over, a reporter asked him if he would commit to this, and he said, well, it depends. Article 5 can mean a lot of things. But Ruta...
$10 they will. Because they're going to try. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Oh my god!
What the heck?
Jesus fucking Christ, dude.